Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Trello's horizontal swim lanes feature, an essential tool for your project management needs in 2025. First off, let's open up your Trello board. Now you'll see an Add Swim Lane button on the top right. Click on that. This helps us because it allows us to create a new horizontal row or swim lane, which is a great way to divide tasks by category or team. Now that we've done that, you'll notice a new row has appeared. You can rename it by clicking on the placeholder text and typing in your desired name. The reason we do this is because giving your swim lane a descriptive name helps you and your team understand at a glance what tasks or projects the swim lane contains. Next up, let's add some cards to our swim lane. Simply click on the Add a Card button within the swim lane. Type in the task, press Enter, and voila! Your task is now in the swim lane. This helps us because it visually separates different types of tasks, making it easier to manage and track progress. Now for a bonus tip, you can move cards between swim lanes by clicking and dragging them. This is a great way to easily reassign tasks or projects if priorities shift or if a team member has too much on their plate. Let me explain why this matters. It's about flexibility. In project management, being able to adapt to changes quickly is key, and Trello's swim lanes make that simple. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you use swim lanes. You're creating a visual layout that helps your team see the big picture, understand their role within it, and stay organized. No more getting lost in a sea of tasks. With swim lanes, everything is streamlined and clear. All right, to wrap up, we've learned how to add, name, and fill a swim lane with tasks. We've also discussed how swim lanes help with organization and flexibility in your project management. So go ahead, give it a try, and streamline your Trello boards like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, stay organized, stay productive.